Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the new mileage calculator in Google Sheets. It's so easy to use and will save you so much time. Soon you will be receiving an email with the FY 2015 mileage calculator shared with you. If you have a previous version of this mileage calculator, you want to delete it and start using the new one as we've updated mileage between the new schools. As soon as you receive this email, open it in Sheets. This is a view-only document. So you want to make sure, in order to edit this correctly, you want to make a copy of this and make it your own by naming it. So we're going to go to File and make a copy. And I'm going to rename this with my last name and October. I'm going to hit OK. And now it is loading a brand new copy of this in my drive. I've gone ahead and made a folder in my Google Drive just for my mileage forms. So I'm going to, at this time, take this copy and put it in that folder. I'm selecting the gray folder at the end of the name. And I'm going to go into my liaison folder where I created a mileage folder. I'm selecting it and moving it to that folder. I can give you a little peek here at my mileage folder. Now I have a couple Octobers for a demo here, September, November, and December. The reason why I made these copies is this. As soon as the copy went into my folder, I filled out the top portion. So I don't have to keep filling out the top portion every time I use this form. I actually filled it out once, and then I went through the same procedure of File, make a copy, and this time I can save it as February. So now when I go to February, I will have a copy with the top portion filled out. I actually went ahead and did this for every month that I'm going to be turning in my mileage. So I have an empty template with the top portion already filled out. I have this problem of losing my fund line, so this is a great way to save you the trouble of searching for it. I'm going to show you now my mileage from September. I actually made a mistake and put August and September on the same form. Remember, we don't want to do that. So here's something new to this form. Some people put on the same line from DSE to Finland, from Finland to Stiles, from Stiles to Franklin Heights. For each location that you drive to, you have to add a new line. So on the 27th, I went to DSE to Finland, Finland to Stiles, Stiles to Franklin Heights, and Franklin Heights to Holt Crossing. Yes, it was a long day. But each line needs to be funded separately. You can also put in locations that aren't within our district. I went to MEC for a regional technology meeting. After I put this in, I had to go to Google Maps. I mapped it, and I attached that Google map to my sheet when I turned it in to show the directions and the route I took to the meeting. If you don't know your school code name, at the very bottom of this form, there is a school code key. Pay special attention at these, as these initials are a little different than we're used to looking at. For example, Darbydale, we might be used to seeing DDES. So you do have to make sure you have it correct. If you happen to pop in Darbydale to DSE and then nothing populates right here, it means that you don't have your initials right. For example, if I put DSE to DD, as soon as I select this, 9.1 should appear. But if I put DSE to DDES, when I click in the next field, nothing appears here. That signifies that I have my code name wrong. When you're done with this, it's very important that you print this form in Portrait. Go to your print icon, and every single time, landscape is normally what Sheets is used to printing in. You do have to select Portrait and select Print. Thanks so much to Google and Alex Jones for creating this wonderful document to make our life easier. Enjoy!